House next door, 2-story. This one over here is just single story. Roof's already papered or felted and stacked out with tile. There's a service panel for this house. No meter, but all the breakers are set. And this actually hasn't, all the rough hasn't been done for the HVAC. It's all delivered. All this duct, water heater platform, plenty of drywall. Walk in from the garage, laundry. There's your formal entry, front door. And this kitchen, island's going to look a little different. It's going to be L-shaped. And they've actually got a built-in pantry in this floor plan, complete with a light. And don't use traditional lumber for framing floors, use TJIs. And here's the family room, recess for the entertainment area. And working out here in the desert, hydrated. Haven't brought that tub upstairs yet. Fireplace. No gas pipe for it yet. Just set and vented. And still have the construction railing. And there's your common bathroom upstairs. 2 sinks here. And it's going to be that tub that's downstairs in there. Or maybe it's that one. Common bedroom. Convenience plugs. Conveniently spaced so that anything with a 6-foot cord can reach it. There's a platform up there for the heating and air conditioning equipment. And there's a buttload of drywall here. This stuff's got to weigh. It's got to weigh almost 2 tons. But nice to have it here because then you can reach up and get to the wiring for the lighting. So it's hot and common. This is going to be for a ceiling fan. It's a saddle box, so it's definitely for a strong enough to hold a ceiling fan. Round box for vanity lighting. This isn't the bathroom. This is the closet. And the big monster tub and shower kit with a vent fitting for a vent fan up there. And that's actually a decent sized master. Hot and cold water feeds. And the plastic PEX tubing, so they use these guides to keep the pipe from crimping or kinking. And what else up here? Box for a smoke detector, recessed lighting, recessed, and door chime. There's doorbell. Some gun. Holes are cut for running duct. I'll dive. Refrigerant lines are in that tree. They're up there on the platform. And where do they go? There they are. Across the attic, down this wall, through this alcove, to the back side of the house, and down and up the wall. Hopefully all that copper's still here before they after they drywall. Someone come up here, make a couple of pennies, pick up scrap pieces of wire, ground wire. That's #1 copper. Very good. Cool little house. And take down that construction railing, and with all that drywall there, probably, like I said, probably close to 2 tons. I actually had to jack up the ceiling. There's no way that much weight would be sitting on that floor normally. So it's jacked up. Nice and spacious. And this is guest bathroom. Of course, it's probably where that other tub is going. Metal, return air can, feed, wastewater, drain for the tub, and it's just connected to the rest of the house through this 2-6 doorway. And this is your guest room. Set away from the rest of the house. So you have guests and just banish them to the corner. Very convenient. Nothing really special here. Convenience plug doorbell. And it's actually going to be some sort of a covered doorway. That's pretty cool. Windows sealed all the way around. Moisture barrier. House next door. Similar floor plan. Stairs switch back. Yeah. And sand. Lots of sand.